Hi everyone, welcome to the Professional Product or Experience Review page. Just wanted to send out a quick reminder that in order to access some of the documents here on the website, you're going to need to use your school email address. To get started, we definitely want to show that you should be clicking into your assignment sheet. So your assignment sheet is going to be everything that you need for brainstorming, planning, peer reviews, teacher conferences. After that, we have your intro activity, which is understanding parts of a review. It's a playlist, and inside this playlist, you're going to choose from maybe 2 to 3, maybe even more, different reviews that you find through here. There's book reviews, there's different videos, and vocal recordings, and just written pieces. So there might be books or websites or restaurants or places to go, museums. So you just want to locate a couple of them and write a response in the right-hand corner after making a copy of this playlist and putting your name in the title. After you've completed and turned in your introduction assignment to your turn-in sheet to be graded, you want to start thinking about how you're going to write your review. So what kind of format do you want, first of all? Do you want a written review, a vocal review, or a video recording? And there are several different options based within each of them that you can go in and explore and kind of try out which is the best for me. And if none of these options do work for you, then please let us know and maybe we can figure something else out together. The next piece we would like you to go through, there we have student samples from past classes. All of these options are 5 out of 5. You can always go, they're written very in different styles, so you can always kind of check through, okay, yeah, they have a claim and they have pros and cons, but how did this, writer write this way, their review different from somebody else. The last piece that we would like you to look at on this page are the additional resources. These might be helpful while you're writing your review, but also after you've finished it. There are things like features of effective reviews, so a list of items that might come in handy, understanding, have I really reached my audience? Do I have a clear claim out here? The next piece is a product review writing checklist. These are items that are taken directly from the rubric, but also from that effective list, and looking at professional reviews as well. The last piece is this Descriptive Words website. It is actually called descriptivewords.org. And there are a list of different descriptive words by subject. So, for example, if you're writing, a restaurant review or something and you want to look at some words other than good or bad to describe a certain meal that you had, you can always go into here and see out some other pieces that will be useful for your review. If you have any questions about this task, please do not hesitate to let us know and we can work through anything together. Good luck!